How to use AGen data collector. After launch the application on your mobile device, the first column is location. This is the field for you to key in the allocated location code or location name you would like to do data collection. In our case here is Taman Langkawi with 3 data collected, then we start to do data collection. After keying in the data 1002, then the counter will be 4 now. Now we reset the location to Kampung Selayang. Look at the counter value will be 0. The counter becomes 1 the data collection. Now key in the data value of 1001, press enter, the counter becomes 1, meaning your mobile device collected 1 data on this location. Again, key in 1002, and follow by 1003, the counter will be increased from 1 to 2 and to 3. If your data information is in the barcode format, you can use the built-in barcode scanner. Just trigger the barcode scanner scanning by pressing the floating button. AGen will use your camera as barcode decoder. Let's see the counter after decoding. It will increase to 4. Let us try again the scanning with the barcode reading using the camera. Now the counter will become 5. To know more about AGen software, visit us at agen.mobi or scan the barcode below.